Welcome again to our bird series. In this part, we will explore more amazing birds, their incredible abilities and fascinating habits. Let us continue our journey into the wonderful world of birds. Penguins are flightless birds that live mostly in cold regions. They are excellent swimmers, using their strong wings like flippers to move quickly underwater while hunting fish. Krill and Sucade. Penguins live in large colonies for protection and warmth. They waddle on land but are graceful in water. Many penguins mate for life and parents take turns keeping their eggs and chicks warm. Kiwi. The kiwi is a small nocturnal bird from New Zealand that cannot fly. It has a long slender beak with nostrils at the tip, which helps it find insects, worms and seeds in the soil. Kiwis have soft brown feathers that look like fur and help them blend into the forest floor. They are shy and mostly active at night, using their strong sense of smell to explore their surroundings. And that is the end of our full bird series. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible birds and their amazing behaviors. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Don't forget to follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, JK Knowledge Climax, so you never miss more fun and educational videos. Keep exploring, keep learning and stay curious.